really nice. I'm going to play it for you so you guys can kind of hear what it sounds like. So you can hear the sustain, and I'll let your ears decide. Okay, so initial reaction, I really like it. It sounds really nice. The harmonics sound to be all there. And so this is kind of interesting. They also sent me a stand, a little stand, which is really nice. Of course, the bag. And they sent me these little tiny mallets. Now, of course, you don't want to play a handpan too roughly, because you don't want to knock it out of tune, since it's tuned by compression. So these little mallets, interesting idea. You know, probably get like kind of like a knuckly sound, maybe a little bit out of it. Let's see. Oh yeah.